Here we will learn about the micro operations for the two basic addressing modes. They are immediate addressing mode and register addressing mode. So micro operations are tiny operations that are happening inside the processor while the instruction execution is going on. In micro operations, the very first step that happens is uh, the program counter is pointing towards the memory address register. Now, this is the instruction move BL, 25H, right? In this particular instruction, the immediate value 25H, it is getting copied inside the BL register. While writing the micro operations, we will mention those micro operations in the T clock states. So we will mention uh, 3 to 4 clock states for writing the micro operations. Now, if the processor needs to execute this instruction, right? So for executing this instruction, the very first register that will come in the picture is the program counter. Now, the program counter will go towards the memory address register, which is connected to the address bus, and it will find out the address where this particular value 25H is located. So that what will happen, right? We will get the address of this complete instruction, not only 25H, this complete instruction. We will get the address for the complete instruction along with the operands. So program counter will point at the memory address register. This is the first step that will happen. In the second step, we will know the uh, instruction as well as operands, and as we are knowing about the instruction and the operands, right? So we know the contents from the memory system, that what is my instruction move, right? What are my register BL comma 25H as another operand. So we know the contents of memory as of now. So in the second case, once we have found out the address of the complete instruction along with the data, in the second clock state, from the memory, the data will be given inside the memory buffer register. So memory buffer register is the register inside the processor, which will going to hold your complete data. Data means move BL, 25H. This particular instruction will be held by the memory buffer register in the second clock state. Now in the third clock state, memory buffer register will give those that instruction to the instruction register. Now further, this instruction register will give that complete instruction move BL, 5H to, it will give the complete instruction to, I will request to mute your mic, unmute your mic please. It will give the complete instruction to the processor for fetching, for executing, right? So at the same time, what will happen, the program counter will be incremented by 1, because while we are mm, while we are completing with the first instruction, right? What is the responsibility of the processor? Responsibility of the processor is to point to the second instruction, right? So this is how your instruction will go towards the arithmetic and logical unit. Now these are the basic micro operations needed for probably all the different instructions. But in this particular case, what is happening, that we will mention in the T4 state. In the T4 state, we can observe that the immediate value 25H, it is getting moved inside the BL register. So this is the T4 state or the fourth micro operation, right? These micro operations are needed for fetching the data. So here the fetching of the data is happening, and this is the micro operation which is required for execution, and decoding is happening parallelly on the background. So this is how you will write the micro operations for move BL, 25H. That is immediate addressing mode. While writing the micro operation for any instruction, the very first thing is we should know that what is exactly happening in that instruction. Then we will be in a position to write the micro operation for that instruction. Decoding happens during the fetching processing simultaneously parallelly. There are no separate micro operations needed for decoding. Now we will study the micro operation for register addressing mode. Move BL, CL. So in this particular instruction, move is the instruction, BL, CL are the operands. As this is the move instruction, this is the destination, this is the source. So from CL, the data is going to BL. So the contents of CL are moved inside the BL register here. This is what is the uh, process that is happening inside this instruction. Now we will write the micro operations for move BL, CL. In the first micro operation, PC goes to MAR, then memory goes to MBR, then MBR goes to IR. PC is incremented by 1, T1, T2, T3 in the first three clock states, and they are the micro operations for fetching. Now, according to the instruction, we will write the next micro operation. So what is happening in actually inside this instruction, which is different than the previous instruction? The contents of CL are copied inside the inside the BL register. So in the T4 clock state, we will write the micro operations like CL goes to BL, and then this is the micro operation for execution.